Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the Deal4GO internal speaker replacement set, specifically designed for several Lenovo Ideapad L340 models. If you're experiencing distorted sound or worse, complete silence from your L340-15 IWL, L340-15 API, L340-17 IWL, or L340-17 API, this could be the solution you've been searching for. This speaker set is compatible with a range of L340 models, including the 15-inch and 17-inch variants, covering types like 81LG, 81LH, 81LW, 81LX, 81M0, and 81LY. However, it's crucial to note that this set is not compatible with the L340-15 IRH and L340-15 API. So, double-check your specific model before ordering. The great thing about this replacement is that it requires no soldering. It's designed to be a straightforward plug-in replacement, making it accessible for users who aren't experienced with intricate electronics repairs. The connector is a 4-wire, 4-pin type, ensuring a secure and stable connection. Each speaker is rated at 4 ohms and 2 watts, which should match the original specifications of your Lenovo Ideapad L340. The wire length is approximately 5.10 centimeters, or about 2.05 inches, which seems adequate for the intended placement within a laptop. The manufacturer part numbers associated with this set include PK23000RDV0, PK23000RDG0, PK23000RDY0, PK23000REV0, and PK23000REG0. In the package, you'll receive one right speaker and one left speaker. Keep in mind that the screws are not included, so you'll need to retain the original screws from your laptop for installation. This is a fairly standard practice with these types of replacement parts, but it's always good to be aware of it beforehand. If you're comfortable opening up your laptop and have a basic understanding of how to disconnect and reconnect internal components, this Deal4GO speaker replacement set appears to be a viable option for restoring the audio functionality of your Lenovo Ideapad L340. Just remember to double-check compatibility with your specific model and handle the delicate internal components with care during installation.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.